Now, can you believe it? The sun is out. Oh boy, look at that. The sun is out. It's not as bad as they said it would be. But we always gotta gear up for, like, just in case. I gotta get my hoodie out of my jacket. Oh boy. Making a big fashion statement today. Let me get my hoodie out of here. I'm just gonna take this street and go back around. Back around to where I live. It's a couple of blocks away. Look, it's still cold. Don't get it mistaken. It's still cold out. It's just nicer than they said it would be. I'm all tucked in now. Hey. Now it's time to put a little lip gloss on. Because after that cappuccino, made my lips a little dry. I'm gonna put it on right now. Right now in front of the camera. Y'all know I always put on that shiny stuff. So yeah, like I said, the ground's not that bad. It could have been a school day that they lost. Now they have to make up. But that's how the weather report is sometimes. Oh gee, can't even see my face. Got on my father's big shirt. That's what I call it. Oversized big shirt. But it's nice and warm. And that's all that matters. That it's nice and warm and I feel warm. Now, I didn't put my gloves back on. But I have to put my gloves back on. So, yeah. My little trustworthy with the fingers out. Yes, I had to put my hoodie. Keep fixing it because it's so big, but what are you gonna do? That's what I wanted to wear today, so I did. I look like a gathered bunch of mess. That's better. Stepping down to pick up my gloves. So yeah, my little walk out for my cappuccino was nice. I love Ciao Market. Oh, it's such a nice little cute, intimate place. They have their little jazz music going on there, which isn't bad. The girl there, she's really nice. And like I said, I kind of getting tired of like Dunkin' Donuts, Starbucks. It's nice to have a little change, you know, and go and get something different. And right there makes you feel like you're in the North End, or you feel like you're in a little cafe somewhere else. But Chelsea is full of little, nice little places, that you'd be surprised that have some nice character about them and very beautiful. So, I didn't sleep well last night. That's why in all my videos I look a little tired. I didn't sleep well last night thinking that we were gonna get like all this snow, and am I gonna come out and am I gonna report the snow? What am I gonna do about it? So yeah, I was up and down all night watching to see, and then every time I would get up, which was probably every 2 hours, I would get up and I would see nothing. And I'm like, are you kidding me? Like, but I still had to make my weather report because that's what I like doing. I like doing that the most. I like coming out and seeing how things are around. So yeah, pretty much clear. Going down my streets, pretty much clear. I am going to videotape the church. Because I was videotaping the church on my way down here, but I never got the footage. As usual, me and lost videos. So yeah, I'm gonna videotape some things again. This is a church that was built in like 1908. And it's not far from my house, and I appreciate historic stuff so much that I am going to film this today. Yes, I'm going to film the church outside. I've been inside the church. It is so beautiful inside this church I'm about to show you. And back of me over here, I'm going to take a walk with me in church. Jeez, it's a wet kind of snow. Makes you feel wet like rain. Anyway, we're real close up to the church. It's that wind. That wind. I appreciate this great detail. I once had a bed railing in my house. I paid a pretty good amount of money for that bed too. And it had this detail on it with the leaves. This is Ecclesia Stem Islisai. And it was built in 1908. Yeah, so it's pretty, and it's one of those churches you can get married in because it has like the double staircase. That was on that side. It's beautiful, it's huge. And like I said, inside is really beautiful. Look at, it's so chilly out here that I'm crying. So plus warm, okay? I'm about to go like this. Oh. But anyway, here's the other side of the church. Here's the other side of San Iglesias. Really nice. And then they made this building over here, which was built in 1922 out of a condominium apartment. And I heard they were beautiful inside. Very expensive to live on this side of the tracks. On this side of my neighborhood and going up further, it costs more, but around here is nice. So now we're looking straight down my street. With that being said, the ground. Look at the ground. The ground is okay. If I was 13, 14 years old, I could go to school in this. It's not that bad. It's a little stingy here and there because of the wind. I mean, I can see that being a problem. I can see the roads being slick, yeah. But other than that, I think it's fine. So yeah, I'm crying. On my way back to my house. Right now. I gotta go home. Good morning. Yeah, so, see back there in the back of me? My lens got rain on it. Well, it looks like rain, but it's like, I don't know. It's mixed with snow and rain. Let's say it like that. Cry, baby. Yeah, this is a bad makeup day, girls. If you're coming out, and I put some mascara on it, and it's just running all over the place. Plus, I look like I got two black eyes anyway because I have not slept because I thought that we was going to have another blizzard. Yes, I did. And you know I'm ready for the blizzard. You know I like reporting the blizzard. So, yes. But I was glad that I went to Ciao Market, had my cappuccino, and relaxed for a little bit and gathered my thoughts on this beautiful day, and I don't think I'm coming back out until later. It's walkable. Yeah, it's walkable, so if you want to get out and walk, take a walk, do that. I'm crying. Don't pay me no mind. This is what I do so I can report the weather. I get wet. Look at my face smeared. I get on camera and I do this and I pose. But to tell you the truth, my fingertips are frozen. So I'm going inside now. Have a nice day. Yes, I'm home.